Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class 6. Today we will start unit 2 Balto. It is a very interesting story written by Jane B. Mason. Let's read the lesson, page number 9. I'm going to read first paragraph. Balto is the story of a dog who was a half dog, half wolf. Half wolf means a dog who has some qualities of wolf. The story took place in Nome, Alaska in 1925. Alaska is a place in America that remains frozen in winter. As Nome is covered with snow throughout the year, sledge is one of the most important modes of transportation. Sledge means vehicle for traveling over snow. Modes mean method. Okay. In this paragraph, author tells the setting of the story, that is, it is occurred in Nome in Alaska in year 1925. Author tells that a sledge was mostly used as a mode of transportation in Nome since it was a snowy area. Now next paragraph. Balto was not a pet dog. In fact, no one liked him because he was a wolf dog. He always wanted to be a sledge dog, but no one wanted him on the team. Balto wished to be on the team and be tied to a sledge as well, but no one wanted him to be on the team just because of his being a half dog. Okay, now next paragraphs. It so happened that the children of Nome got very sick with diphtheria. Diphtheria, a serious infectious disease of throat that causes difficulty in breathing. Okay, one of them was a sweet little girl whose name was Rosie. She was suffering from high fever and cough. Bud was not her pet dog, but she was always very kind to him. She always felt that in spite of means despite of the fact that Balto was a wolf dog, he was loving and kind. When Rosie was taken to the doctor, he was out of medicine. Out of medicine means did not have medicines that could cure diphtheria. He sent a telegraph to Anchorage. Anchorage means a place for ships and boats to anchor, asking for medicines, but because of huge storm in Alaska, there was no transport that could bring the medicines. The only way to get it was by a sledge dog. Okay. The author told Balto wished to be on the team and be tied to a sledge. Okay. When diphtheria broke out in the city of Nome and children got sick with it, a sweet girl named Rosie was one of them. She was very kind to Balto because although he was a wolf dog, but she knew he was very kind and loving. When Rosie was taken to a doctor, he did not have any medicine for diphtheria. He sent a telegraph that is a message sent through a telegraph to the Anchorage, the area where ships or boats anchored. Because of storm, the only method to transport the medicine was dog sledge. Okay, now next paragraph. A big race was held and the strongest dogs were selected so that the medicines could be fetched. Fetched means brought. At the earliest, all the dogs of the town participated in race. Participated means took part. But Bud was also one of them. Okay. What author told? A big race was conducted and the strongest dogs were selected to be tied to sledge to bring the diphtheria medicine to Nome. Balto was fast and strong and the first one to cross the finish line. But even though he had won, Balto was not selected in the team just for the reason that he was a wolf dog and no one trusted him. The author is talking about the competition on the race that was conducted to sledge dogs to be tied to sledge. Balto won, but he was not selected because no one trusted him since he was a wolf dog. The sledge team was led by a strong but proud dog called Steel. After several hours of travel, they reached the point from where they had to pick the medicine and set back. Set back means hinder. The storm was growing fast. Some of the tracks were completely covered with snow. Steel missed one of the tracks and the team lost its way. On the other hand, children started to lose their lives. Rosie's condition was getting worse. Balto knew he had to do something to save Rosie's life, who had always been so kind to him. Okay, a strong but proud dog Steel led the sledge team. When they reached the place from where they had to fetch the medicine from, storm was getting stronger. Ways or tracks started getting covered with snow. The sledge team lost its way due to delay in arrival of medicine in Nome. Children started to die, and Rosie's condition was getting worse. Balto decided to do something since Rosie was always kind to him. Okay, next paragraph. By that time, the sledge team of dogs had completely lost its way in blinding snowstorm. Blinding snowstorm means this was because here the storm was strong that they could not see properly. Steele wouldn't listen to the other dogs, who kept telling him that they were lost. At one point, Steele took a left turn and the sledge went down the hill along with the musher. Musher means a person who drives a dog sledge. Dogs and the medicine. Okay, the author told that the Steele did not listen to the other dogs and took the left turn, and other than him, all the dogs, the sledge with medicines and the musher fell down the hill. Okay, next paragraph. Balto had already set out in search of the sledge with another dog named Jenna. On their way, they were attacked by a grizzly bear. Grizzly means a bear having brown hair. Balto and Jenna both fought with the bear. While fighting it, Balto fell into the frozen river. He was able to come out of it with the help of Jenna, whose shoulder was hurt in this fight. Balto told her to go back as she was hurt. Okay, author is telling about the difficulty that Balto had to face along with another dog, Jenna. They had to fight a grizzly bear. Jenna got hurt in this fight, and Balto also fell into the frozen river, and Jenna helped him out. He sent Jenna back because she was wounded. Okay, next paragraph. As Balto moved on through the snowstorm, he smelled something familiar. Steele, he peered. Peer means looked curiously over the icy slope, and there he saw the sledge. The dogs were exhausted. Exhausted means tired. The musher unconscious, but the medicines was safe. Okay, the author told when Steele attacked the Balto moved and dodged him, and Steele, while trying to attack or jump on the Balto, fell down the hill. Okay, let's read the next paragraph. Balto bounded joyfully down the hill. Bounded means moved. All the dogs barked happily. At that moment, Steele stepped forward and said he wouldn't Balto take the lead and attack him. As the dogs were fighting, Steele jumped towards Balto, who ducked, moved head or body downwards quickly to avoid being hit or seen, and Steele tumbled over the edge. As I have told you, okay, while fighting, Steele fell down from the hill. Okay, next paragraph. Balto turned to the dogs. He made sure that the musher and medicines were loaded securely. Securely means safely on the sledge and set back. On his way, he met a pack of wolves who were watching him from the top of the mountains. Struggled his way through the storm, they all howled in encouragement. Encouragement means words of praise that increase confidence. Following the trails he had made, he led the sledge forward through snow. When he got close to the town, he gave a howl full of thrill. Thrill means excitement. The whole town, along with Jenna, ran out of their houses. Everyone was present to welcome the team. The bravery of Balto saved many lives. In the recognition of his efforts to save the lives of Rosie and so many other children, Balto's statue means an image or a figure, was posted means placed near the entrance of Nome, which still stands there. Okay, in the last paragraph, the author told Balto sat back along with the sledge team, and Balto saved many lives of children, including Rosie. As a reward of his achievement, his statue was placed near the entrance of Nome, and it is said that it still stands there. Okay, I hope you have understood the story.